Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what we got here today, so this is actually a quarter scale, not a fifth scale, a quarter scale. It's much bigger Ford GT40, and I just got the fiberglass body. They're very hard to get. It saves a lot of details of the real vehicle, and it's outside right now to air out a little bit because it's a brand new fiberglass and it's still kind of a little bit gassing out. This a little bit smell and I don't want it inside yet. So we're gonna do it as a big project. We're actually gonna build the entire car from the ground out. We're gonna actually build the frame for it. We're gonna put a very big fast motor on it, and then we're gonna figure the wheels and tires to make it very fast vehicle. So this is just a tease, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share so you can see more later. I think it's need another day outside. It still smells just a little bit, but you don't want to touch or warp it or anything, so just sitting over here to dry. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. And when we're done with it, we're gonna put it near my real car. I have the same car, real, full size, and then we can see the difference. See you in my next video. Bye.